Welcome everybody to our YouTube channel. Today we're going to be making banana bread. My name is Jack and I'm in 6th grade.
My name is Duke and I'm in 4th grade.
And we already pre-mashed the bananas and I'm going to pour in...
So we're making banana bread and it's vegan.
Now, in that bowl of pre-mashed bananas is 6 ripe bananas, and you want to use the ripest bananas you can get. The ones we're using are not quite ripe enough, but we're going with it. We used a potato masher, but you could use a fork or you could use a knife or whatever in order to kind of get the bananas mashed up. Just make sure that whatever you're using, you're careful.
Well,
So,
back when I was cooking with Crystal, I actually used a fork.
yes, that can do it.
That was pretty fun. Plus, I love how the finished product tastes.
Yes, you do love your
And
banana bread.
It's so mouth-watering.
All right, Duke. So Jack is about to stir into the bananas. He's going to stir in 2/3 of a cup of oil. That's 1/3.
People don't know fractions. I guess we should explain.
Okay, so put that in there. Okay.
Mom?
Hold on. So, and then there's the other third. So Duke, you're going to go ahead and spoon the bananas into that mixing bowl.
Wait, like this?
Yep, use that and put them in the mixing bowl with what Jack has going.
Where do I put the cup?
Just set it down on the table.
It's going to be a big
Okay,
mess.
over the bowl.
Okay, let's be careful.
Oh,
gosh.
this isn't what I think.
That's so sticky.
Okay, so Jack, the next thing that you are going to measure is 2/3 of a cup of sugar.
But
So
there's more.
the sugar is over by Duke on that side.
Let me hand it to you. Let me hand it.
Okay. Hand Jack the sugar. Duke, you are going to measure 2/3.
This
there it
is
is.
the
Yeah, you're going to do 2 of those. Each of those is 1/3 of a cup.
Okay, Dad.
Duke, you are going to measure 2/3 cup of brown sugar. So when Jack, no, it's the one that, oh, actually you can use this cup in front of you. See the glass one?
This?
Yeah. So you're gonna pour brown sugar in there until you get, listen,
Up to here.
2/3 of a cup. So you're gonna pour until you get to 2/3 of a cup.
Or I could just hand it.
Yeah, however you like. Your hands are clean, so you do it how you like. Might be easier to pour. Maybe work together.
Here, Duke, let me...
Okay.
Can I... Let me pull this over.
Okay.
I think this may work.
So Duke, the vanilla you can do next. So they're using 2/3 of a cup of regular sugar and 2/3 of a cup of brown sugar. Now guys, grab that vanilla. Duke, can you grab the vanilla?
Is that good?
Sure.
I just finished adding our 2/3 of sugar.
2/3
Now
of a
let's
cup.
add in the 4 teaspoons of vanilla.
Is there a job for me to do now?
So you're gonna mix it. Once he gets done, take the wooden spoon, and you're gonna mix everything together.
I'm gonna start mixing a little.
3. I think some down my pants.
I'm not shocked.
I think I might need a towel.
Okay, good. We have those handy.
There's a lot of. It's a good thing that I
All
have.
right. So Jack, is that all mixed?
It smells very strong.
Okay, so the next thing we're going to add is we're going to add 4, there you go, 4
this
cups
smells so nice.
of all-purpose flour. So Jack, if you want to do that next, 4 cups.
Finish the whole thing.
Well, 4 cups of it, yes, not the whole thing of flour.
So,
Duke, so no, don't put that there and knock it over. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do is 2 teaspoons of baking soda. So Duke, get your teaspoon ready. You're going to do
So is this
4 teaspoons of baking soda.
So is this a cup?
Yep, so
I
do
wonder
4
how
of
that
those.
smells. Is this not healthy for people?
Sorry?
Is this not healthy for people?
I don't think there's anything wrong with baking soda. Actually, I think baking soda is supposed to be good for people.
So we can
I think
actually.
it alkalizes. Okay, so do 2 teaspoons
Here's
of
a
that.
second.
Okay.
1.
Now my third. Put this flour. I'm getting on that. And this is my fourth.
So remember to preheat your oven to 350 before you start doing all this mixing. It's nice to have the oven ready to go when you're ready to put your stuff in
Mom,
the
was
oven.
that?
Dick, you want to lick the spoon?
Sure.
I get the bowl then.